Welcome back everyone to another episode of ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill and today we're going to be covering a collaboration with the ASICS team and Cecilie Bahnsen, and this is a brand new silhouette that we've yet to cover on the channel. These are the Gel-Cumulus 16s and this is in the black colorway. Let's take a quick sneak peek. Welcome back everyone to another unboxing and styling segment. If you're joining us for the first time, welcome on in. Be sure to hit that subscribe down below if you're not already subscribed to the channel, and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy these unboxing and reviews. Today we're going to be talking about the brand new silhouette on our channel, not brand new silhouette in general, but these are the Gel-Cumulus 16s, which I'm super ecstatic to go over because I think this is one of ASICS' best silhouettes. And of course, this is with Cecilie Bahnsen, who is one of my favorite designers, so I was really excited to see another collaboration pumped up by her and the ASICS squad. So as you've probably seen on my channel, I've done a lot of Cecilie Bahnsen collaborations with ASICS. If you have not seen those videos, be sure to go and check them out. They all are kind of similar in their aesthetic, but all very different as well, and they are all different types of ASICS silhouettes. So we'll go through the overview of these, jump into size and fit, followed by how I styled this, really just clean colorway. Then we'll conclude with how much these sold for retail and how much they're currently going for on the resale market. Let's jump right into it. As far as Cecilie's aesthetic goes, she really is just such a queen when it comes to layering and textures. And of course, I feel like her signature is 100% the flower print. As far as the entire kind of concoction and thought process behind the sneaker, it was all about how flowers look in the shadows. And so this was released in 3 different colorways. I just wanted the black pair. I thought out of the 3 it was my favorite aesthetic wise, but it did come in an ivory and black tone as well as a glacier gray hue. So as far as this pair goes, it has the same exact textures, look and feel as the other colorways, just this one is pretty much all black. So we've got nice textures of patent leather, which really just hits so nicely with the lights. As you can see, it has this nice glimmer to it. And then one of the coolest parts about the sneaker is it has this sheerness to it. It's not completely see-through. It is a bit more kind of textured. It almost kind of reminds me of a frosted window. So if you've seen frosted windows, this is definitely the frosted look. And then we've got, of course, these shadowed flowers all kind of just evenly placed all throughout. And then we've got the nice just spaghetti laces with the lake lock system. One of my favorite parts about Cecilie's collaborations are these cute little floral details, and you've got that as the lace lock here. And it's really nice. They decided to go with this two-tone black, so we've got more of a shiny black to kind of showcase the look and feel of this cute, dainty flower. As far as the eyelets go, this is where you're getting more of that patent leather as well on here. And the tongue, again, has that kind of frosted see-through look, more patent leather, and then we've got some suede textures on the top. Let's take a look at those details, then move on to the side paneling. right, so wrapping around to the side panels, again, we've just got such nice subtle details of different types of black hues from different textures and different sheens. So you can see as well, the floral print is intermixed in between the ASICS logo on the side panels. And then the floral print also goes to the back of the heel here. And we've got that same kind of textured look. So this actually on the back, it still kind of has that frosted look, but it's not as sheer as the front of the upper here. So depending on what socks you actually wear, you will actually be able to see the sock color underneath this layer. As far as the branding goes, we've got the Gel-Cumulus 16 on the side here. For those of you who are hardcore ASICS fans, the Gel-Cumulus actually released back in 2014, and the name comes from the cumulus cloud, if you haven't guessed. So just really cool that they really went back into the archives to bring this silhouette back to life. The interior is in all black as well. This kind of reminds me of like a noir kind of collaboration as well. Just black, but subtle with its hints and hues of different shades of black. As far as the midsole goes, we're still getting different kind of textures here. Some nice shiny black in between, and that kind of goes onto the bottom as well of the outsole itself. As far as the box goes, it's really nice. We've got this nice marbled look. So a part of the collaboration and thought process behind what they were going for is more of like a romanticized look and feel, which was very subtle. And this says, all my flowers every day. It's just really cool collaboration. Again, I am a huge Cecelie fan, so really excited to see her keep pumping out these fun collaborations with the ASICS team. And again, really cool to test out the Gel-Cumulus 16 for the first time. If you are a fan of the Cumulus 16, let me know in the comments as well. I think that this is a phenomenal silhouette and really excited to get this into my sneaker rotation. All right, let's take a look at those last and final details, then we'll talk about size and fit. As far as size and fit goes, I would stick true to size on these though. These do fit a bit more on the snug side, a little bit more narrow in the toe box region, as you can kind of see when I flip the sneaker up here. So going half a size up wouldn't have been so bad as well, especially since I do tend to wear thicker socks. But if you don't want any extra room, you want it just to kind of fit true to size, I think sticking true to size would work great, especially if you have narrow feet like myself. All right, so now let's talk about how I styled this sneaker. Again, I think this is a great shoe for really mixing and matching socks, especially if you want the socks to kind of pop through and show underneath. I just kept it pretty simple with some black socks to leave it more monochromatic. But for the first look, I decided to wear a nice simple satin tank that had some nice lace detailing at the top that was cropped with some simple wide leg black denim pants. I definitely think all black is gonna go amazing with this, and it's a very easy way to style this color combination. If it doesn't kill me, make it stronger. Love me like you mean it. Don't make me wait any longer. Baby, give me something, something that'll make me daydream, daydream. Go ahead and touch me, touch me. Then for the second look, I dressed up a little bit with some nice kind of plaid printed pieces with a button down and matching pair of wide width pants. So definitely think that this is a classier, dressier sneaker that you could really dress up for a nice fancy kind of meeting, something that's more business casual. When you leave
daydream. I daydream when you take me where I've never been before. I like it when you're sweet, but when you're bad, I like it more. Take all my attention like it's going out of style. I want my mind running wild. If it doesn't kill me, make it stronger. Better make it stronger. And love me like you need.
And for the last and final look, decided to wear some nice wide width pants that had some really cool white detailing and stripes on the front. And then I went with a nice cropped long sleeve polo top that was in a gray and white tone.
Don't make me wait any longer. Baby, give me something, something. Better make me daydream, daydream. Go ahead and touch me, touch me. Let it linger when you leave a daydream. Baby, give me something, something. Better make me daydream, daydream. Go ahead and touch me, touch me. Feel it. Back and forth, 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 back and forth. You feel it. Back and forth, 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 back and forth. Check the score and your balls in my court. Oh no, 'cause we're bad to the core. You're warned. You gotta play dirty to win.
He always want to play ping pong.
Bent over backwards, but there's nothing to say. Running in circles again and again. Saved you my heart, I thought that you'd do the same. But we got too far in a losing game. Oh, gravity falls, me to you. Moving on opposite sides of the table, so cold. The way that you hold, just touch me.
As far as the retail goes, these retailed at $180. There is quite a little bit of resale on these, specifically in this black color scheme. They are going between $200 to $275. Let me know in the comments if you were able to snag a pair of these, if you got it in the black or one of the other colorways, and if you're a huge fan of Cecelie like myself. All right, everyone, that is it for this unboxing and review. If you joined us for the first time, thank you so much. Be sure to hit that subscribe down below if you're not already subscribed to the channel. Give this video a thumbs up if you have not already. My name is Marissa Hill. This is ShadeTV. We will catch you all on the next episode.
Back again, you feel it. Back and forth.